What if $15 could change the way your home feels completely? Sounds crazy, right? But that's what these lights did for me. Have you ever walked into your living room and felt nothing? No warmth, no vibe, just space. That was me. I tried floor lamps, warm bulbs, even candles. But nothing made it feel alive until this. These are Govee Smart LED light strips. $14.99 on Amazon. Peel, stick, plug in, and suddenly the whole room transformed. You control them with Alexa or Google. Say movie mode and boom. They dim, change colors, even pulse to your music. And no hub, no crazy setup. I did it in 5 minutes. Imagine game nights glowing in your team's colors, or late night study sessions that actually feel cozy. Wouldn't that feel like home? I added a strip behind the TV and one under the bed. Total vibe shift. The app lets me create scenes for any moment. And my kids, they beg for rainbow mode every night. Most brands charge $40 to $70 for this. These, $14.99, and over 100,000 people have already grabbed them. So, can $15 really upgrade your entire space? I'll let you decide. Click the link and see for yourself.